point. And as far as I know, Black Lives Matter stands as a matter of policy against the nuclear family, which, speaking for myself, I think for you too, and for most people in this country, is the center of our lives. The nuclear family is kind of all that matters. Why, in our name as Americans and U.S. taxpayers, is the U.S. government promoting a group that opposes the nuclear family? And why are we putting up with this exactly?
Well, the government wants to make sure that families are torn apart. Every effort of what they do is to make sure families are torn apart. You did a very good job talking about even this trans agenda that's going on, which telling kids to pick their gender, telling kids to mutilate their bodies. I'm glad you covered that, because that also leads to the breakdown of family. A child that mutilates their body cannot have a productive family, right? It cannot have the nuclear family unit intact. That is the goal. And the goal is because if you believe in Karl Marx's ideologies, if you believe in Marxism, then you know what was crucial to Marx's ideology was making sure that the nuclear family and traditional families were broken down. Why, Tucker? Because in order for the government to replace mom and pop, there can be no mom and pop. They want you to turn to the government for every answer. They want no faith, they want no family, they want just government in the lives of every single American. This is Marxism manifest.
Yeah, and maybe there's a point at which, if you're trying to destroy the nuclear family, that we say, I'm sorry, that, you know, there's a line that you can't cross, and that's kind of it. Like, no, you're not allowed to do this. I hope people will start reaching that conclusion, because this is too far, in my view. Candace Owens, I appreciate the clarity that you always bring. Thank you.
Thank you.